Shall we give Guinness the toy back? There we go. Now Guinness, Harrison doesn't know how to play vegetable yet. He doesn't. Do you, Harrison? There you go, play vegetables. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. You have to throw it for the Guinness. Say throw it. Throw it for the Guinness. Ready? 1, 2, 3, throw. There we go. Good boy. Good boy, Guinness. Good boy. Is that fun? Is you playing vegetable with your doggy? Good boy, Guinness. Look, are you waiting for the vegetable? Like a good boy. Okay, now throw it. Are you confused? Guinness, Harrison doesn't know how to play vegetable yet. It's a dog. Is Guinness a dog? Yeah. Okay, Mummy, help you. Ready? Good boy, Guinness. Good boy. I think Mummy should have started this game. He's a quick learner, that dog. And so it will continue all day, probably. Bye.